Hi everyone, this is Satyendra here and I welcome you in Daily Dose series of Tableau visualization. The agenda of today's video is to talk about how to show top 10 or bottom 10 categories into Tableau Desktop. In order to show that visualization, we'll use Tableau Desktop and our data of Sample Superstore. Before I go there and show it to you, kindly subscribe to our channel if you have not done already, and please click on the bell icon so that you keep getting the notifications as and when we add exciting videos to our channel. Now let me move to Tableau Desktop over here. As I mentioned, I will be connecting to Sample Superstore and we can see all the sheets like order, people, return, and then we'll drag this order sheet so that we can do the visualization on top of it. In order to do the visualization over profit and uh, our columns like let's say states. So the problem statement what we have formed over here that we want to show top 10 and top bottom states in terms of profit. In order to do that, well, we can think of a couple of approaches over here. First of all, we can go ahead and maybe provide a parameter so that end users can filter out top 10, top 5, whichever they want to see it, right? That is one of the approach. And another thing could be we can give this parameter as dynamic value. When I say dynamic value, which means whatever they want they can select, and depending on the selection they make, they can see the data. So now as we talked about two approaches, let's implement some of them. So first of all, I'll create parameter here and I will name it as top versus bottom, and I would like to give integer, but I would like to give a list over here, or you can give a range. Range would be a better option that it starts from 1, and then you can define the maximum value maybe as 20 and then step size 1. So which means your range will start from 1 and go up to 20. However, at one step you can move one level up. So now I just created this parameter, but we need to implement this parameter so that we can see that as soon as I change the numbers here, our data is filtered, right? I'll drag state onto filters. We'll go to top and over here we'll say by my top and bottom parameter, whatever value I have here, it will select top 6 right now because 6 is there in my parameter. I'll just do that and you can see it shows the top 6 states by profit. We can just show the profit over here, right? I'll drag profit onto colors so that it will be properly visible, right? So you can see that these are the top 6 states by profit which we are able to kind of manipulate using this parameter. So if I change the number, I get more states, which means top functionality is working fine. Now if I need to do the bottom one, I can go ahead there and at the place of top I will select bottom and it will show me top sorry it will show me bottom 10 states right now. You can see the profit in these states is negative, right? So this is one way of doing it, like at a time you can show top 10 or top bottom states by profit using this parameter. Now there could be a requirement that business wants to see both top 10 as well as top 10 and bottom 10 together. Just think about it. How can you implement that visualization, right? In order to implement that visualization, what we can do is we can go to this particular filter. Over here you will see an option called create set. So you can click on create set. You'll go to, because right now it is bottom, I will give a name called bottom and we'll save this. As soon as you do that, you can see that one of the set has been created over here. I'll go ahead and change my filter We'll name it as top, apply. You see the top states, and then I'll create again a set and we'll name it as top. It will have all the top states, right? Now the two sets which we have created, I'll go ahead and create a combined set now so that I can merge the results of both into one. So we'll say top and bottom, or vice versa, like you can select bottom first or top, whichever you want to do. And then over here you can say maybe combined set, right? So our combined set is ready. Now what I'll do, I'll just remove this particular filter of states from here and we'll drag this combined sets on top of it. And now you'll see that in one view itself, you are able to see top 10 and top 10 and bottom 10 states by profit into one visualization, right? Just to put a more flavor to it, if you just try to change the filter, you will see both top as well as bottom, both are changing, which means you can change the numbers as you go and you can see if you want to see top 5 and bottom 5, here you are. If you want to see top, let's say 20 or bottom 20, you can do that. The beauty of this is both the sets, top and bottom, they are driven by the parameter, so everything looks dynamic at this moment. I'll go ahead and format my visualization a bit more so that everything looks better and is ready to be published for end users. So here we are, and the last thing over here in the panes, great. We'll go ahead and change the ruler also so that color looks better, and I think we are good. We can hide the title if it is required. Alright, and we can name it top and bottom states, and if you wish, you can use the parameter also in the header. And this is how we kind of created top 5, bottom 5 using our parameter in Tableau Desktop. Guys, feel free to drop any question here. I'll be happy to answer. By the time, have a nice time. Take care.